It's important to note that the law of attraction does not operate in isolation. Other factors, such as external circumstances, the actions of others, and the collective consciousness, can influence your experiences to some extent. However, your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs serve as powerful filters through which you interpret and respond to these external factors. By consciously choosing your thoughts and reactions, you can shape your experience of reality to a significant degree. The law of attraction reminds us that we actively create our reality through our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. By consciously directing our focus, cultivating positive emotions, and taking inspired action, we can attract the experiences, circumstances, and outcomes that align with our desires. The law of attraction invites us to be deliberate creators of our lives, using our thoughts and emotions as powerful tools to manifest the reality we envision. To fully understand and apply the law of attraction, developing a mindset of abundance and possibility is crucial. Instead of dwelling on limitations or lack, focus on the abundance that exists in your life and the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. By shifting your perspective and believing in your unlimited potential, you open yourself up to attracting even greater experiences and manifestations. Another key aspect of the law of attraction is the concept of alignment. Alignment refers to being in harmony with your true self, your values, and your desires. When you are aligned with your authentic self, you radiate a powerful energy that draws in the people, opportunities, and circumstances that resonate with your highest good. This alignment helps you navigate life more easily and allows your desires to manifest effortlessly. It's worth noting that the law of attraction operates on multiple levels: individual, interpersonal, and collective. At the individual level, your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs shape your personal experiences. On an interpersonal level, your interactions with others, the relationships you form, and the energy you bring to your interactions can significantly impact the quality of your experiences. And at a collective level, the collective consciousness and the energy of society as a whole can influence the outcomes you attract. By being mindful of these different levels and consciously aligning with positivity and harmony, you can positively influence your personal reality as well as the broader collective consciousness. In practicing the law of attraction, it's essential to cultivate patience and trust in the process. Manifestation only sometimes occurs instantaneously, and there may be detours or challenges along the way. Trust that the universe is working in your favor and that the desired outcomes are on their way to you. Maintain a positive mindset and align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desires. Trust in the timing of the universe and know that what you seek is already in the process of coming to you. The law of attraction empowers you to take charge of your life and become an intentional creator of your reality. By recognizing that you attract all wanted and unwanted experiences, you gain the power to consciously direct your focus and energy toward the outcomes you desire. By aligning your thoughts, emotions, actions, and beliefs with your aspirations, you can harness the immense creative potential within you and manifest a life of joy, abundance, and fulfillment. You have the power to shape your reality. Embrace the principles of the law of attraction and let your thoughts and emotions become the magnets that attract the life you truly desire. It's important to understand that the law of attraction is not about wishful thinking or passively waiting for things to happen. It requires active participation and a commitment to personal growth and self-improvement. As you align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desired outcomes, you also need to take inspired and intentional steps towards those goals. This may involve acquiring new skills, seeking knowledge, developing positive habits, and seizing opportunities that come your way. The law of attraction encourages you to cultivate a mindset of gratitude and appreciation. By acknowledging and expressing gratitude for the blessings and abundance in your life, you create a powerful energetic vibration that attracts more of the same. Gratitude shifts your focus from scarcity to abundance, from lack to plenty, and opens the door for more positive experiences to flow into your reality. It's important to note that the law of attraction does not guarantee a life without challenges or difficulties. Life is a journey filled with ups and downs, and everyone faces their own set of obstacles. However, by consciously applying the principles of the law of attraction, you can shift your perspective, approach challenges with a positive mindset, and manifest solutions and opportunities that help you overcome any obstacles that arise. The law of attraction reminds us of the interconnectedness of all things. Your thoughts, emotions, and energy not only influence your own experiences, but also have an impact on the collective consciousness and the world around you. As you align with positive vibrations, you contribute to a higher frequency that uplifts others and creates a ripple effect of positive change. The law of attraction asserts that you are an active participant in the creation of your reality. By aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desires, you can attract the experiences, opportunities, and relationships that support your growth and fulfillment. Cultivating gratitude, taking inspired action, and embracing challenges as opportunities for growth are all essential aspects of practicing the law of attraction. Remember that you have the power to shape your reality and create a life of joy, abundance, and purpose. It's important to understand that the law of attraction operates within the context of personal responsibility. While you attract experiences into your life, it doesn't mean that every circumstance directly results from your thoughts alone. External factors, other people's choices, and random events also shape your reality. However, your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions significantly influence how you perceive and respond to those external factors. Taking responsibility for your thoughts and emotions empowers you to make conscious choices and create a positive mindset. Instead of blaming external circumstances or other individuals, you can focus on your inner world and make intentional shifts to align with your desires. By acknowledging your role as a co-creator of your reality, you can harness the power of the law of attraction to manifest positive outcomes. Self-awareness is a key component of working with the law of attraction effectively. Pay attention to your thoughts, beliefs, and recurring patterns. Notice if there are any limiting beliefs or negative thought patterns that may be hindering your progress. By identifying and releasing these patterns, you can create space for new, empowering beliefs that support your desires. Visualization and affirmations are powerful tools for aligning your thoughts and emotions with your desired outcomes. Take time to imagine and feel the experiences you want to attract into your life. Visualize yourself already living that reality and evoke the emotions associated with it. Affirmations can reinforce positive beliefs and help you rewire your thought patterns. Repeat affirmations that reflect the reality you wish to create and truly embody the feelings and beliefs behind them. Surround yourself with positive influences and like-minded individuals who support your growth and aspirations. Engage in activities that bring you joy and make you feel alive. Cultivate a supportive and nurturing environment that fosters your personal and spiritual development. The energy and vibrations of your surroundings can greatly impact your own vibrational frequency. Remember that patience and trust are essential when working with the law of attraction. Manifestation takes time and unfolds in its own way. Trust the process and have faith that what you desire is on its way to you. Let go of attachment to specific outcomes and surrender to the wisdom of the universe. Maintaining a positive and open mindset allows for even greater possibilities and opportunities to flow into your life. The law of attraction invites you to take an active role in shaping your reality. By aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desires, you can attract positive experiences and manifest the life you envision. Embrace personal responsibility, practice self-awareness, and utilize visualization and affirmations to support your journey. Trust in the process, cultivate a positive environment, and have patience as you co-create a life of joy, abundance, and fulfillment.